Shiba Inu has reached a crossroads in the cryptocurrency market, which is currently in a fragile state. While BlackRock has taken a big move with $250 million at stake, analysts have started expressing cautions. The Shiba Inu token's creators have also revealed their next plan of action. Just what is going on here? How are all of these parts going to work together? Enable me to explain it in simpler terms for you. Lately, Shiba Inus have been acting in an unexpected way. The token's precipitous decline follows yesterday's little price gain, which has analysts worried. A crucial support level was lost by the Shiba Inu, which could lead to major consequences, according to their observations. Now that the token has fallen below this crucial mark, it has experienced one of its most worrying times this year. Current Shiba Inu prices are quite close to the 200-day moving average. The overall Bitcoin market's mood is typically determined by this important signal. To make matters worse, the token is having trouble keeping its current level of support. More selling pressure can lead to a further decline in price if it keeps failing. The declining interest from dealers is one factor adding to Shiba Inu's problems. The token garnered a lot of interest from regular people when it was rising in value. However, many have lost interest due to the recent lack of volatility. It is difficult to keep the market interested in Shiba Inus when there is no thrill of significant price changes. Shiba Inu must recover key price levels and reawaken investor interest. If it is to recover, restoring optimism could be possible with a good return above these benchmarks. But if the token's ecosystem doesn't get major improvements or updates, it risks becoming even less relevant as traders seek out more exciting opportunities elsewhere. Even if the price has dropped, the Shiba Inu community is still strong. Actually, there has been a tremendous spike in the burn rate, rising by a whopping 62% in just one night. Over 3 million Shiba Inu coins were delivered to dormant wallets in a single day, according to data from Shiba Burn. That the community is so committed to fighting for the token's long-term survival and lowering its supply is evident here. The community's dedication, even in trying circumstances, is encouraging and shows how much they believe in Shiba Inu's future. If the market improves and investor interest in Shiba Inu's returns, this kind of proactive initiative could be crucial in the long term. But how are these market dynamics being driven? The present performance of Bitcoin is a major component. At this important juncture, analysts are keeping a careful eye on Bitcoin. Bitcoin may soon go below the 1,000,000 threshold, according to some predictions. The Bitcoin market has had a wild week, particularly in the aftermath of a major political event. Bitcoin hit a record high of nearly 109,000 on Monday, thanks to Trump's inauguration. But it quickly fell back down after a rapid correction. Since then, Bitcoin's price has fallen about 5% from its all-time high, and this loss has caused market participants to worry. The emergence of a classic bearish signal, the head and shoulders pattern on Bitcoin's chart, has been noticed by technical analysts. The relative strength index, RSI, and other indicators have turned negative, falling below the neutral zone and indicating greater selling pressure, suggesting that Bitcoin could undergo a further 1.5% slide, possibly testing its 100-day moving average if this pattern materializes. Bitcoin might fall much more if support doesn't materialize, potentially reaching values as low as 9,000. However, if Bitcoin were to rally, it may return to the 103,000 range. A domino effect of this unpredictability has spread throughout the market, there has been a doubling down of efforts by the Shiba Inu community to maintain their relevance and take the initiative. Given the positive news surrounding Bitcoin recently, their commitment is all the more impressive. Despite the decline, Bitcoin's base has remained solid, and institutional investors are showing signs of fresh interest. In spite of price difficulties, Bitcoin IKF has lately received inflows of approximately $250 million, demonstrating persistent institutional interest. Additionally, there has been an uptick in whale activity in Bitcoin, which may indicate that large investors are buying up cryptocurrency at a discount. The wider cryptocurrency market, which includes Shiba Inu, could benefit from this institutional interest. At the Bloomberg House in Davos, BlackRock CEO Larry Fink spoke with Bloomberg's Francine Lacqua and made a daring forecast, which only added to the excitement. Fink predicted that with more institutional investment, Bitcoin's value could reach $700,000. A sovereign wealth fund was considering adding 2% to 5% of its portfolio to Bitcoin, which he had previously discussed with them, he disclosed. According to Fink, Bitcoin's value could skyrocket to $500,000, $1 million, or even $700,000 if further institutions started buying it. The excitement over Bitcoin's future prospects has surely been heightened by his remarks. Why is this important for Shiba Inu then? Shiba Inu and other altcoins could be affected if Bitcoin starts the bull run that many are expecting. If Bitcoin were to make a comeback, it would undoubtedly increase investor enthusiasm for Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrencies, which could cause them to recover from their recent declines. An additional historic bull run comparable to the one in 2021 is an enticing prospect. The folks working on Shiba Inu are just as hopeful as everyone else. Lucy, who heads up marketing for Shiba Inu, is certain that a new alternative season is on the way. Despite all the attention on Bitcoin as of late, she thinks altcoins like Shiba Inu will explode in value in the next years. Lucy recently tweeted that the biggest is yet to come in the crypto world, and that the next 4 years will bring exciting advances for Shiba Inus and the industry as a whole. She stressed the need of being committed and having patience while the cryptocurrency market undergoes continuous change. The Shiba Inu community shares this hopeful outlook because they have always stressed the need of looking ahead. In light of what Lucy said not long ago, material prosperity should not be the pinnacle of achievement. Freedom, peace, and community should be prioritized, according to her. Her words are a potent reminder that material prosperity should not be seen as a goal in and of itself, but as a means to a better life. Within the framework of Shiba Inu, this outlook highlights the significance of establishing a substantial and encouraging community. The token's value may rise and fall, but its advocates can lay a solid groundwork for its continued success. Through maintaining a broad perspective, the Shiba Inu community can overcome these difficult times and strive for a more promising future. Shiba Inu's capacity to progress beyond its meme token roots is crucial to its future. To enhance transaction speeds and decrease costs, the development team has been actively working on initiatives like Shibarium, a Layer 2 blockchain solution to grow the ecosystem. More developers and businesses may be interested in Shiba Inus as a result of these improvements, which could lead to increased adoption. The team has also been looking into potential integrations and partnerships that could raise the token's profile and increase its utility. Decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens are also becoming increasingly popular, which is another consideration. One part of the Shiba Inu ecosystem is the decentralized exchange Shiba Swap, which has functions like liquidity pools and staking. More customers and investors could be attracted to Shiba Inu if the company keeps innovating in the DeFi market. The introduction of NFTs with a Shiba Inu theme has also created new avenues for participation from the public and financial gain. Looking ahead, it's certain that some mix of market circumstances, community backing, and continuous improvement will determine Shiba Inu's success. The Shiba Inu community's tenacity and commitment lay a solid groundwork for future expansion despite the difficult market conditions. There are a number of ways in which Shiba Inu could overcome its present difficulties and come out stronger in the end, including strategic burns, expanding its ecosystem, and increasing adoption.